You'll be okay.
Do you see what I'm screen sharing?
Am I supposed to pull up?
Yeah.
Did I miss something?
Am I supposed to pull up?
Yeah.
Oh, appreciate it.
How you doing, cowboy?
Sorry about that. You guys tell me to pull up.
Nuggets and all that good stuff.
All that good stuff. Yes, sir. You got it.
Doing the cowboy thing.
Yes, sir. Yeehaw.
Huh?
Yeehaw.
You ride a horse?
Yeah. Really? Yeah.
Absolutely.
Dude, so
Yeah.
fun.
You know, I
Still scared of them, though.
Yeah. Them things will kick.
You know, I slept with my cousin last night.
Okay, Gene, calm down.
I felt that.
Should I? Huh?
She rolls sounded just like my mom.
Yeah, really? Yeah, dude. In Africa? Dude, God,
You went to Africa?
yeah, dude, like when I was
sister
like...
went to Africa.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cool place.
Wow.
They got all types of animals.
That's
Dude.
some real cool shit.
Yes,
right
sir,
there.
man.
I'm telling
Hey,
you.
I appreciate it.
Hey, man, you have a
Yeah,
wonderful
you
evening.
too. Thank you.
There's no way. I just got all that on video.
What's up, guys? So I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on the channel, but me and Landon have been talking and we want to get back into the YouTube fishing videos. So have this video today. Me and Landon actually went and bought kayaks today, so that's what you see behind me here, but I'm not going to get too much into that because y'all got to watch the video. But I think I got a good video here today. We're definitely going to be posting a lot more, so stay tuned. And yeah, I don't want to spoil anything, but yeah, we got some good content coming, so yeah, stay tuned. We got a light rain today. I think this is going to be like perfect for it's coming up on like 6 o'clock. I already saw some splashes down there. I got 3 combos today. I got a swim bait. I got a fluke, the watermelon red. I'm probably gonna put a white one on. And then I got a bait caster, Abu Garcia, with a worm. I don't really like that hook. I'm probably gonna change that out. So I'm gonna start off with one of these 7-inch flukes. Size difference right there. This is probably like a 5. But we got about, I know there's at least 2 5-pounders in this lake. Me and my brother's been transporting them from lake to lake. Don't really know if that's legal or not, but I mean, hey, we're not killing them, so that's all that matters. But I think this should be pretty good right here. This hook's a little too small for this. I'm gonna see if I got a bigger hook actually. Well, couldn't find anything bigger, so hopefully that hook will get them and they won't miss it. We're about to find out here in a second. So need to fix this thing real quick. Yeah, I love the white, so I can see it at the top of the water. So if something explodes on it, I'll know. I'd be surprised. Well, once I get to... Oh, y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Yo. Dude. What the heck? I was just about to say, holy crap. God, right at the bank. Golly, man. Look at this thing. Look at that beauty. Hey, whiz, that's a solid 3-pounder right there. We're gonna have to run up to the house for this, get a scale. God, man. Man, dude. Dude, that is exciting, bro. Freaking on the fluke. I was literally just about to say, if I don't catch one at this corner, literally gonna swap the bait. This thing is beautiful. Where's the scale at? Oh, are you kidding me? The scale don't want to work, bruh. You've got to be kidding. Swap them out real quick and see if that does anything. Dang, well, I tried to get a scale for y'all today, but golly, look at this thing. Yes, sir. God, it's a beautiful one right there. Heck yeah. I'm gonna send a picture to Landon real quick. Yeah, Landon's on the way right now. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Oh, let's get a release on this baby. Yeah. Hate keeping them out of the water that long. Alright guys, I got a little surprise for the channel. 2 kayaks, fishing kayaks, 4 rod holders. They got the pop-up seat. They're Pelican brand, you already know, they're good quality. Yeah, we got this right here, you already know. Yeah, we got these things strapped down. They ain't going nowhere. But yeah, we're gonna be putting some content. We're gonna be putting some good use on these bad boys. Yeah, they ain't going nowhere. I'm so ready, so excited to put these in the water, put it to test. But dude, I can't wait. We're gonna have some videos for y'all for sure. Me and Landon are gonna go at it. Yes, sir.